Good day, everyone. Let me officially welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today, I just want to explain to you how to connect a two-gang switch, a two-way switch like this, two-gang switch that can actually be on in two bulbs. That can be on in two types of bulbs. So that is what I want to explain to you today. And these are the gangs, as you can see, it's right here. So these are the switch gang. Let me open this so that you see it. See, this first switch, this second switch. So I want to show you the wirings. If you check this place very well, you see where we have our L, which is line, which is common, L1 and L2. So meaning that the means that is coming from the distribution board. So we connect it here, then loop it to this place. Then these are the switches. These are the branch of the switches. So one works for here, one works for this bulb, while the second one works for that wall brackets. So let's dive into the connection proper. So I told us that this is the means. Like this is a light cable, power cable coming from the distribution board. So and it will enter here. Firstly enter here. You need your screwdriver. Fix it right there. Then from here it comes to this place. You just fix it interchangeably. Yet. So this is the first bulb. Right here. This is the first bulb. And this is the second bulb. So L1 here. Then L2 here, L1 here, then L2 here. So for the first and the second bulb. Fix this here. Make sure that they are firm, like the switches are, the nuts are firm. Then these are rubber box. You can see it right there. Make sure you check this arrow pointing for. So this is the why this is the this slightly, screw it gently, so this is a cover. Here. This way. So this is working perfectly. So kindly subscribe to the channel for more interesting electrical videos. Thank you.